In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Jotform. Whether you're facing issues, have questions, or need advice on how to make the most out of your Jotform experience, reaching out for support is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, start by navigating to the Jotform homepage. You can do this by typing jotform.com into your browser's address bar or searching for free online form builder and form creator vertical bar Jotform on your preferred search engine. The homepage serves as your gateway to accessing various Jotform features and resources, including the help and support options. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you to a login page where you have several options to sign in. If you've previously connected Jotform to your Google account or another platform for easier access, you can choose that method for a quicker login. This seamless integration is designed to simplify your workflow, allowing you to access your forms and submissions in just a few clicks. After logging in, head directly to the My Forms section. This area is your personalized dashboard where all your created forms are stored. You can find it easily on the Jotform website or by directly visiting jotform.com/myforms/. It's the place where all your form building activities converge, from drafting new forms to managing existing ones. As you scroll down your My Forms page, you'll encounter various options and settings. Here you're looking for the Contact Us link, a resource specifically designed for user inquiries and support. Although it might require a bit of scrolling, locating, and clicking this link is your key to accessing direct assistance from the Jotform team. Upon clicking Contact Us, you'll be redirected to a new page. This page is straightforward and user-friendly, offering you a text box where you can type in your question or concern. This system is devised to be as intuitive as possible, ensuring that users of all levels can efficiently seek the help they need. You'll notice that there's more than one way to express your concern or ask for help. If your first question doesn't capture the entirety of your issue, or if you think of another detail after typing your initial query, there's an additional text box available. This secondary box is there to make sure you have ample space and opportunity to fully explain your situation, thereby enabling the support team to provide as detailed and useful a response as possible. Remember, detailing your question or concern as much as possible is key to getting the best possible assistance. Specific details, descriptions, or examples of the issues you're facing can drastically improve the support team's ability to understand and address your problem effectively. And that, in a nutshell, is how you contact Jotform for any questions, concerns, or issues you may have. It's a process designed with user convenience in mind, ensuring that help is just a few clicks away. Don't hesitate to reach out. If there's something you need, the Jotform team is there to assist. To wrap it all up, let's quickly recap the steps we've covered. Visit Jotform's homepage and log into your account, navigate to My Forms, scroll down to find and click Contact Us, and then clearly articulate your question or concern in the provided text boxes. And there you have it. Simple, straightforward, and designed to get you the help or information you need with minimal fuss. Whether you're a new user just starting out or a seasoned form builder looking for advanced tips, Jotform's support system is ready and waiting to assist you. Happy form building!